Aisha, our mother and the mother of the believers, says, Ida aradallahu via din khaira. This profound statement translates to, when Allah wishes well for one of his servants, a sentiment that carries weight, reverence, and an affirmation of divine benevolence. This is a belief deeply rooted in the hearts of followers, an unwavering faith in Allah's mercy and compassion for his subjects. The narrative continues, he appoints for them an angel. This celestial guide, an embodiment of divine light, is tasked with the role to guide, steer, and inspire the chosen one towards righteous steps and decisions. This guidance begins a year before their death, an entire year of divine direction towards virtue. The phrase "Hatta yukalumata bikairi maka'an" is then uttered, meaning, until people say they died in their best state. This is a testament to the individual's character, their benevolent deeds, and the life they've led under the angel's guidance. The culmination of their life's journey is said to be in their best form, they're at its zenith. As that final moment arrives, they do not tremble in fear, but in anticipation. They see the reward for their life's journey presented before their very eyes, a spectacle that stirs their soul, making restless. This is a pivotal moment, a delicate threshold between mortal existence and the divine encounter. A person who loves to meet Allah experiences this moment. Please, if this resonates with you and you find meaning and solace in it, like video, subscribe to our channel, and definitely share it with others in our Muslim community so that the benefits of these teachings may reach them too. Let's spread the love and wisdom together. On the flip side, Aisha continues, her voice heavy with a profound understanding. Wa'idha ara Allahu abdin shara, a phrase that translates to when Allah wishes an evil end. This is not a concept that should be taken lightly, but rather, it should be taken with the seriousness it deserves. In such instances, she elaborates, Allah appoints a devil 1 year prior to their death. This devil's purpose is not merely to cause mischief, but to lead them astray, away from the path of righteousness that they should have ideally followed. This arrangement, however, is not without its harsh consequences. The subject, under the devil's influence, will eventually deteriorate into a state of negativity and despair. Hatta yukalu mata bishari makan, she adds, a challenging phrase that translates to, until it is said, they died at their worst state ever. This is not a simple saying, but a potent commentary on subjects' spiritual status at the time of their demise. As the reality of their actions and the impending doom approaches them, their soul panics, becoming overwhelmed with intense fear and dread. The person, who was once eager to meet their Maker, now dreads the encounter. They hate the idea of meeting Allah, filled with shame and regret for their actions. And here's the sobering part. Allah, in turn, hates to meet them. This hadith may change your mindset, especially if it's your first time hearing it. In a world that is loud with distractions, it is crucial to step back and immerse ourselves in the wisdom offered by the ancients. This particular hadith, a saying attributed to the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, offers profound insights that are just as applicable today as they were centuries ago. The essence of this hadith lies in the significance of keeping one's heart alive. It is not merely about the physical organ that pumps blood through our bodies, but rather the metaphorical heart that is the seat of our emotions, our hopes, our dreams, and our spiritual aspirations. The practice of keeping our hearts alive comes from the understanding that the human experience is vast and diverse. It is not monotonous, but filled with differing situations and encounters. Each one of these occurrences has the potential to teach us something new, to make us feel and to help us grow. But the key is to stay self-aware, to reflect upon these experiences, and to understand their implications on our lives. It's about being self-managing, to manage our reactions, our emotions, and our behaviors in response to these experiences. It is a journey that requires introspection, mindfulness, and self-awareness. It is also about remaining open to change. Sometimes we are so set in our ways that we resist new ideas and experiences. But the wisdom of this hadith encourages us to embrace change, to welcome new experiences with an open heart, taking one day at a time, one experience at a time. Let's be willing to learn, to grow, and to keep our hearts alive, for what is life if not a series of experiences? Keeping your heart alive involves diversifying experiences and staying self-aware, self-managing of what is going to keep your heart alive.